God spoke and created all things big and small, and everything was good.
Let there be light, the heavens, land, sea, and sky. Let there be sloths, ravens, peacocks, sea lions, and so much more.
God created all humans, Adam and Eve, and all of his creation was good. That is, until one day.
Adam, Eve, my beloved, you must leave the garden. You have eaten the fruit from the tree of knowledge of good and evil. If you stay here, you will be tempted to eat from the tree of life and will live forever with a curse. You must leave my garden and enter the barren desert.
After 4 generations passed, the world was not as God had intended. All of humanity and creation groaned. The world was broken and needed a sign of hope.
My people have forgotten that they are my beloved children. They do not care for one another. Their unkind and brokenness has taken root in their hearts. I gave Adam and Eve a promise of hope, but the people have forgotten it. I will find another way to share my promise once more.
When God looked upon the earth, he searched for anyone who remembered him.
Is there anyone in all of creation who remembers me? If I find one human who believes, I will share my promises with them.
There is one man who has not forgotten you. He remembers that he belongs to you, his creator.
Noah was in a small village with his family when God found him.
That man is called Noah, and out of the ground which has been cursed, Noah shall bring relief. I will make new promises through Noah's family.
In the evening when Noah had gone to sleep, God whispered a promise to Noah.
Noah, you will be part of God's promise. Through your family, I will mend what has been broken. You will be given the gift of faith.
Lord, do you speak to me? I am just a simple man in the barren desert with a small family.
Noah, it is I, your God and your Creator.
God spoke again with Noah.
Noah, you have believed and trusted in me, and I will make a new way through a new promise. You see people's hearts and have hardened, and the sight of serpents has tainted all of creation. Giants roam the earth, and people call them the sons of God. Love, kindness, and forgiveness have been lost.
What must I do?
Speak with your wives, sons, and all your relatives. Tell them a plan is coming, one of hope. Soon creation will be given a sign painted in the sky that will remind them I will make all new things.
Noah ran to his village and told his family about his talk with God. The family believed Noah and they waited. At the break of day, when the sun rose, Noah awoke, wondering if his talk with God was simply a dream. Then Noah's wife shouted,
Noah, come see. Come, Noah.
What is it?
God has sent you a message, a plan.
God left a plan for Noah, a plan to protect God's animals and the people who remembered God.
Sure, Ham, Japheth. Bring your tools. Family, gather the animals of the world, 2 by 2. We have work to do.
As the day grew long, the sun disappeared and the clouds moved in. Noah's family moved quickly. The children of Noah went to every land, gathering God's creatures, male and female.
Come sloths, come otters, come peacocks. Come hippos, rhinos, and giraffes.
As the family began to build the ark, the neighbors began to grumble.
What is Noah up to? Why does he have so many animals? He will take up all our water and food. We need to do something.
What are those humans building this time? It's big enough for 10 giants.
As the days passed, the clouds grew darker, and Noah's neighbors grew more suspicious of the great ark.
Family, hurry. The great flood is coming. We must be ready to take cover in the ark.
That evening, God spoke to Noah in his prayers.
Noah, do not fear. I will bring new life out of the great storm, and you will be ready when it comes.
Father, come. The animals are gathered, and our families are well prepared.
All the animals of God's creation gathered in Noah's camp and waited for the great storm.
Sons, the tears of God are upon us, and his judgment is drawing near.
Brothers, gather more food. We don't have much time.
Noah, we have a problem. The surrounding villagers are becoming angry and nervous as the clouds become darker each day. They are spreading rumors about us, saying that we have brought the dark clouds upon the earth. The women at the well are refusing our family's water, and the giants are lurking near.
My love, although danger is in the air, we can trust in God's plan. Remember, He is one who made us. All creation now gathers what you're able, and remember that we have nothing to fear, for He is with us and will never forget us.
When the sun set, Noah gathered his family and animals onto the ark. Noah's son placed each animal in its space. He prayed, then spoke with his wife.
Beloved, what must we do?
We must continue to pray and wait. We can trust God. He put the stars in the sky, the fish in the sea, and made you and me.
Noah and his family waited in the ark for 7 days as the storm brewed. The clouds outside grew larger, and the giants drew near. Some people threw stones at the ark, but Noah's family did not budge. They just waited.
Father, this clouds are gray and the sky is black, and now the people are running away.
The rain began to fall harder and harder. Soon all the land was covered in water, even the giants. All of God's animals were on the ark, and Noah's family cared for each one.
I will feed the lions, tigers, and bears.
I love the reptiles. I'll bring them their favorite treat.
Can I please feed the creatures of the jungles today? The monkeys and I have a great game of tag.
As the rain continued to fall, Noah began to grow weary. He and his family counted each passing day with tick marks along the ark.
But the floodwaters have not increased for 40 days or 40 nights.
Noah, send out the raven to see if there is any dry land.
Noah sent out the raven, but it did not return.
My raven did not return. We will pray that God will dry up the waters so that we may leave this ark.
God had not forgotten Noah, and he had not forgotten his creatures, especially the animals from the fields, jungles, deserts, and waters. God remembered Noah and sent the Holy Spirit.
I will hover over the waters so that the earth will be restored. It is time for the mountains to reach the sky.
Noah, here is my new dove, my rose-crowned dove. She has colored feathers. Send her out to seek dry land.
Yes, it is time.
This time, the dove returned with an olive branch.
At last, a sign that there is dry land.
Soon after, the waters dried up and the ark perched on land.
Father, the sky is painted. What are those beautiful colors in the sky?
Those beautiful colors in the sky. What are those beautiful colors in the sky?
God spoke to me about this sign in a dream.
Noah, you will be given a sign of my promise to you and all creation. I will never flood the earth again, and the sign of my promise will be hung in the sky.
This must be what God meant.
The rainbow was indeed a symbol of God's promise and hope.
I created the stars in the sky, fish in the sea, and now I will restore my creation to a new beginning. The brokenness that entered the world will not have the final say. I will make a new way back to me.
Even though God's perfect creation was tainted, God's story was far from over. A new hope and promise would come through Noah's family tree, changing the world forever. The end.
The end.
And then look up at the sky. Thank you. Perfect.
The end.